Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna create some creative looks. Starting with, we're gonna create a duck with the help of the color papers yellow and orange. We're gonna create duck's body with the help of yellow color paper and its mouth and legs with the help of orange color paper. You can see how clearly they are cutting their mouth and the legs and its eyes, its beak, and attach the eyes to it. The next thing of the day we're going to concentrate doing is a sunflower. First, cut out the glass with the help of a scissor like exactly shown in the video and roll it over it so that it looks like a flower. Draw its face and mouth and attach a green color strap to it and attach its leaves so it exactly looks like a flower. The next thing of the day we're going to concentrate doing is a light for phone. That is, you can just see how clearly they are drilling holes in the glass and attaching a string to it and tying it and attaching to the phone, and on the flashlight you can see how the party vibes are coming here. The next thing of the day we're going to create is a playing toy which you can use to play. You have to observe how closely they are folding paper. You can take any color paper. Here we are taking green color paper. See how concentrating the folding has been done here. You have to do the same way for 4 papers and interconnect it. You can see how well they are interconnecting the 4 papers that has been folded out, and you can use it to play. The next thing you're gonna create is a small umbrella. It's a very cute aesthetic umbrella. Here you can see how well the folding has been done. You have to concentrate on the folding and the cutting. You have to cut it in the similar way so the umbrella looks very pretty and very aesthetic. You have to attach the another thing to the umbrella so that it can open and close as well. You have to attach it and cut the edges to attach the straw to it, and you have to decorate with the color you like. Here we are gonna decorate with the help of a pink color flowered color paper. You can see how clearly they are creating it. You can close and open also. The next thing of the day we're gonna create is a small cartoon or a cute cartoon with the help of a yellow paper. You can see how nicely and how detailed the folding has been done here. You have to concentrate on the folding and create its eyes and mouth. The next thing of the day we're gonna create is a playing toy. You can see you have to drill a hole on the bottom of the glass and attach a straw to it, and if you blow, basically the ball will blow off. The next thing of the day we're gonna create is a playing toy with the help of a paper. We all have done this in childhood. With a bit extra thing here, they are adding a little extra mouth and things. You can concentrate on that. The next thing we're going to create is a rocket. Many of us have been created this look since childhood. You have to create the rocket the exact way shown in the video, and you have to attach a stripe to it so that it doesn't fly away. Thank you for watching the video.